Hey, what's up everyone? Johnny the Geek here with an unboxing of the Moza Air 2 with the iFocus motor not included. Yes, that's right. Despite the box showing the gimbal with one attached, the box specifically states that it does not include one in the box. On the plus side though, without the iFocus motor, that makes this gimbal $600. You can buy a combo with the focus motor for $800, but I do like having a couple of options for buying only what I need now and upgrading it later. Taking a look at what's inside the box, the gimbal does not come with a custom carrying case like the Zhiyun Tech Crane 2. You would need to buy your own using something like a Pelican case. Starting with some literature, it's the usual manual and what's in the box info. Next are the batteries, and they are the standard 18650 batteries. You get 4 of them for a long battery life that's up to 16 hours reportedly. There's also a charger included, and I'm curious to find out if the batteries can be charged while inside the gimbal. Next are the follow focus rod supports. These are for attaching the follow focus motor. Then there's the riser brackets for smaller cameras. You can also attach the support bracket and rod if you want to use the focus motor for zoom lenses. They are used together with the extra camera plate that's included. I'll show you how this all works in the review. Next up is the toolbox, or the cable box is what I like to call it. It comes with a cleaning cloth, and in this plastic bag are support rod adapters for the focus motor. These are what the rods connect to along with the screws. There is also a lens support bracket and a 1/4 to 3/4 screw adapter. Then there's the screws for the support rods and the adapters. It comes with all the cables used to connect the various cameras to the gimbal for the handle control. Everything from Panasonic to Canon to Sony connections are included. Like many other gimbals, this one comes with a tripod stand that only mounts to the bottom of the gimbal. It's all metal with rubber sides because it also doubles as a grip for two-handed carry. And lastly, the gimbal itself. Weighing in at a little over 3 pounds, it's capable of holding up to 9 pounds, and I can already see by design that the cradle is a bit wider than the Zhiyun Crane 2. That's going to be good for cameras like the Canon C100 that I'll be testing this out with later on in the review. I look forward to testing this out in the next couple of weeks and giving you guys a full review. So as always, stay tuned and thanks for watching.